just Dree. So in today's video we are going to be doing something totally different, sis. Like totally different. We're gonna be doing a Brazilian wax at home.
I don't understand, bitch. Don't understand. I don't understand, bitch.
I highly recommend Brazilian waxes to people that's prone to ingrown hairs, which is me, or who doesn't like shaving every 5 days, which is me. Like to look clean and sleek and, you know, shiny down there with your love bug. That's what we're gonna call it, a love bug. Okay, so I'm not trying to get flagged for anything. I just want to show you guys my experience with waxing at home. I also wax my mustache because I'm a hairy girl over here. So don't judge me, judge your mama, okay? Because I'm pretty sure your mama and your mama got a few chin hairs, okay? So let's not go there. So I made my own honey wax, whatever you want to call it, but it didn't turn out right. It was too like smooth, or the consistency wasn't good. So I just went ahead and used the old wax that I had at home. I mean, you can reuse it as long as you just, you know, reheat it up. So this one, it's kind of like, it has like tissue stuck onto it, or like the waxing paper stuck onto it, but it's still good, you know. So this is what it's looking like. You can find these at Walgreens, Walmart, Target, wherever you can get it. All right, so let's just go ahead. So the first thing I'm going to do, I just got out the tub or whatever. So you want to make sure that you're clean before you do anything. But I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of toner just to kind of clean the area, because you want to make sure that you're starting off with a clean surface. So, and I'm also going to put a little picture on the side right here or right here, just showing you guys what I'm working with. Like I said, don't judge me, okay? So I knew that I wanted to do this video for a while, so I haven't shaved in like maybe a month. And my hair grows really fast. Sorry, hold on, let me make sure I'm cleaning everything. Ooh, I hope you can't see me over there. Okay, let's go. The next thing you want to take is some powder. I just got some Johnson powder. You can take whatever powder you want to use. Basically, the powder helps the wax attach on the hair more. I'm taking a little bit of powder, and you're just gonna wanna put it everywhere. Put it on your love bug, put it on your inner thighs, put it everywhere down there, because we're waxing everything for this. I got a little monster down here, so gotta make sure we get everything. So just powder everywhere. I'm gonna start off. Oh, I'm so scared. Okay. All right, I'm gonna start off with my inner thigh. So you want to pull on the skin and go in the opposite direction of the hair. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. We got it. We got it. Okay. Okay. We got it, y'all. We got it. All right. 1, 2. Wait. 1, 2, 3. No, okay. 1, 2. Oh! That's what I just waxed off, okay? Yeah. So let's try to do another part, okay? Okay. We got it. Okay. Let's do it. Ooh, fuck. Mama say, mama say, mama kusa. Mama say, mama say, mama kusa. All right, let's go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you dirty bitch. Okay. Oh my God. Why, yo? Okay, let's do it. Okay. Pull the skin. 1, 2, 3. 3. Ah, 1, 2. Oh my god, y'all. Oh, bitch. Okay, I'm just gonna show y'all how this looks. This was so much hair. This is a crime. It looks like Chewbacca was down here. Like, I'm not even kidding, but I'm gonna show you. Can y'all see it? Oh, this is so nasty. How dare I? Yeah, so I stuck on like a piece of section of hair and I am literally bleeding. Like bleeding. Oh my god. Y'all, I can't. I should have like trimmed my hair a little bit more. So keep in mind you're only supposed to do 1 inch of hair, okay? And I am bleeding. Can y'all see that? Let me try to like turn this light down. I'm bleeding. Blood. So no, I have to wash this off because there's no way that I'm about to wax this fur ball like off. You only have to have 1 inch of hair. An inch of hair. I have like 5 inches of hair. And I even trimmed it down and that wasn't enough. So now I only have like a bald patch of hair. I'm not doing this. No. Nope. No, okay, I'm not doing this. So I'm about to go ahead and try to wash this wax off because I am not freaking waxing this off. I'm just gonna have a bald patch. I don't care, I'm not doing it. I'm sweating. Usually I can do this at home, but this is like too painful because my hair is too long on my love bug. So no, this was an epic fail. I'm not doing this. My love bug is on fire and she's bleeding, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you didn't, go yourself because guess what? I just tortured myself on camera, for real. I thought I was just, pretending at first, but no, this is like real life. I'm bleeding, so give this video a thumbs up and let me know down below in the comments if you enjoyed this video, boo. Okay? Peace.